Hey, good Saturday afternoon. Welcome back to Freight Shakers and 4G Farms. I'm going to be working on pulling out a starter today out of my farm truck, a Ford F-250. And then we'll probably be doing a little more action with the old brown girl here. And then also, I think this weekend we're going to attempt to pull the door latch out of the green truck and put a new one in the driver's side. That way, once again, like you've already heard, I've been having to climb over the doghouse and from the passenger side to start the truck and then be able to get into it. So, well, let's take a look at what we're going to be doing. All right, here's the old farm truck. Got her in the barn here. We're going to be pulling the starter out. Seems to be a nice day for it, so I'm going to get on down in there and pull it out, and then, oh yeah, lots of things to do. There's never a dull moment here. So, and then old green truck, we'll pull her in here, and yeah, we'll start working on things. All right, well, I went ahead and climbed underneath there and pulled her out, and yeah, there was, that's just, even though there's two bolts, that is still quite the placement that Ford did for their starter. So as you can see, there she is. We'll go ahead and swing into town and see if we can find somebody that's got another one. And let's just go ahead and show you where I was. So anyway, so we had to climb underneath here, and mind you, I've got just gravel in my shop here, no concrete. And that right there is where she goes. So, all I can say is lots of fun times going on here. That's where you need one of those concrete floors and get your little crawler out there and just wheel right underneath. Hey, good Sunday morning. All right, we've got the starter, and let's just take a look right there. We are going to, there's the old one and the new one. Going to go ahead and swap those out this morning and get the old girl up and running. And then from there, well, I've got to move a Pilates machine for the wife that's been in a storage unit in our house that it will be up for sale. So if anybody local or is interested in Pilates machine, hit me up on the email below and we'll make a deal. But we're going to put that in the back of this old brownie here for safekeeping until it sells. And then later on after that, then we are going to replace the door handle, door latch on the green rig. So stay tuned and let's get this ball going. Hey, welcome back. All right, so we've got everything loaded into the truck, that Pilates machine that is, and I'm getting ready to start on the door latch. So something a little exciting for me since been hoping to do it for quite a while. Then we'll get the door latch taken apart, new one installed. Hopefully everything goes good, and then started putting all the door panels back on and buttoning the truck up. So anyways, let me flip you around, kind of show you what we're working with. All right, you see right there, so I've got to take that nut off right there, 3/8, and then I believe just that black shroud's going to come off. This is just kind of how I'm guessing because there's no instructions. These latches are available at the Freightliner dealership, so I got lucky on that one. And so we'll take that apart, and then here's the new one. So all nice, and I got another one for the other side. So we're going to put this on for now, and then when we get ready to paint the truck, then we'll pull both these out and get it all rearranged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you up on a tripod and just let you watch me fumble through this. So let's get you going. All right, hopefully you can see this, so let's get busy. Not the most exciting thing, but I'll kind of speed it up when we do the video. Let's get a little bit better at that. So hopefully by the time everything's all said and done, my videos won't look too bad. One thing I will say though is hold on to the nut because they do not send a new one with it, which was kind of disappointing. I figured they'd have the whole thing for you, but that's not the case. So yeah. Well, they do not make this easy for you. I'll tell you what. There we go. Huh. That's not good. This could turn into quite the project. Okay. What's the trick here? Wow. Okay, well, that wasn't too bad. There's a lock come off though. Never done one of those. So just kind of copy what we got. Get the clip off. I wish it was just a hair taller. There she goes. Need that. And I think like that. I wish it was summertime, that's for sure. Oh, for a little snow here. Start cloud up now, so it does. I think I got the truck in close enough to be able to shut the door up on it. At least it'll help us a little bit. All right, let's see if this will work. Let's see here. Look at that. Oh, I'm liking that. Oh, kind of. Let's hold up here. Oh, she's tight. Okay. Oh, well, duh. All right. Let's see here. That would be the problem right there. Okay. Wow. Learning experience here, guys. Learning experience. Definitely. But we'll know how to do this for later. So, sweet. What brings this in? That's what I'm trying to figure out here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got so far. My card filled up, so I quit filming, but I had to call the wife. Have her come on over here and give me a hand. Took the 4 bolts out that hold the window crank up, and everything keeps sliding down, and it's hard to do both of those. Let me just point right here, right here. Hard to do. Get these up, but the window keeps sliding down. But so she's coming over here to give me a quick hand, and then hopefully that's it. There it is, brand new mechanism. Took a little bit to get her doing, but lock, you see that? I had to dig that out too. So yeah, it's a learning curve. I've never done this one, so this is first. So let me. Oh, she's here, so we'll get going. All right, well, got everything kind of put together, so we're gonna start putting the everything back together now. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap. We've got the, well, let me swing you around. We got the door all put back together. So, and here it is. Got a slammer though. Watch this. Oh, there it is, guys. Sorry. It's the little things that really get me excited. So, once again, thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit, and comment. You know, if you see something that would have been easier for me to do, let me know. So many more projects to go, and stay tuned. All right, everyone. Well, everything's done. Barn's closed up. Truck's put away. And I figured, well, might as well head on over here. Oh, pop myself a cold one. And if you notice here, got the old heater going in here now. I got that heater there, this heater here, and my seat. So I'm going to, well, that's good. Take a sip of a cold one, sit back, enjoy it, and talk to you everyone later.